Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Have you ever taken a picture in a beautiful spot but it appeared blurred, or people in the background were disturbing the scene, or maybe some unwanted objects were impacting the quality of that image? That's where EZRemove comes in. EZRemove is a web-based AI-powered photo editing tool designed to automatically remove image backgrounds, erase unwanted objects or people from the image, and clear text or watermarks from pictures within seconds. So without further ado, let's dive in and see how we can use EZRemove AI to remove unwanted objects from the background, how to enhance images, and many more. And the best part about EZRemove AI is that you get free credits on a daily basis which are enough for your daily usage. First of all, go to the official website of EZRemove AI. For that, simple type or follow the link given in the description. Once you access their official site, then log in using your email ID, and this is the interface. Here you see all the features this tool can perform. Other than image editing, it can also help you generate videos which you can explore yourself. Here we have the main features including AI Photo Studio, AI Image Upscaler, AI Watermark Remover, and many more. On the right side here, we see the mood option, where depending on whether you are dealing with general problems in an image, logo, text, or anime, we will select the model based on that. Let's go with the background remover first. This is a complete free feature by EZRemove AI. We simply upload the image and then it will process, and within a moment it has removed the background. I can now choose any color for my background based on my need. I can even use any other image as my background as well, and it will be applied to my image promptly. I can blur the background based on my needs. So this is how you can remove and change the background of your images. You can also use this feature of batch background remover to remove the background of up to 50 images at a time. Now let's see how to remove uninvited people from our images. For that, just click on AI remover and then click on people remover. Upload your image. You just need to use the brush to select the object and click remove from here. In a moment, the process will be done. You can also use this prompt option here to remove the things you want to remove from the image. Other than this, there are many features for you to explore in this tool, which include enhancing any blur image, removing watermarks, etc. You can explore these options yourself. So this is how you can use EZRemove AI to enhance the quality of your images. You can click on the link in the description below and explore the features of this amazing tool. And also let us know in the comment section which feature of EZRemove AI you liked the most. And that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until next one, goodbye and take care.